So let's talk about accept and learn everything about it. Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Fluent English. Learn English in a fun and exciting way while staying up to date with the latest trends. Offer invitation. To take something that is offered, to say yes to an offer, invitation, etc. I accepted the job offer and will start next week. They accepted his apology and decided to move on from the argument. After much discussion, the team accepted the terms of the agreement and signed the contract. Fluent speaking. Speak like a native speaker.
I eagerly accept your request. I gladly accept your request. I graciously accept this request. I'll be glad to accept this request. I'd be happy to accept your request. I would be reluctant to accept your request. I won't accept any request from anyone. I always accept requests from you.
Agree. To agree to or approve of something. He accepted the rules of the game without complaining. They accepted the decision made by the group, even though they had doubts. The committee accepted the proposal after reviewing all the details and voted in favor.
I happily accept your decision. I readily accept your decision. I fully accept your decision. I'll be happy to accept the challenge. I'm prepared to accept the challenge. I have to be ready to accept the challenge. It is commonly accepted to drink water. It is generally accepted to play games with friends. It is not universally accepted to eat something alone.
Payment. To take payment in a particular form. The store accepts cash and credit cards. This cafe only accepts payments through mobile apps like Apple Pay. Like PayPal.
Credit cards are widely accepted. I eagerly accept more cash. I graciously accept more cash. I gladly accept more cash. I'm glad to accept more cash. I'd be happy to accept more cash. I would be reluctant to accept more cash from you.
Responsibility. To admit that you are responsible or to blame for something. She accepted her mistake and said sorry. The team leader accepted responsibility for the project's failure and promised to improve. The company publicly accepted full responsibility for the faulty product and issued a recall. Fluent speaking.
He happily accepts the outcome. He readily accepts the outcome. He fully accepts the outcome. He is happy to accept the outcome. He was ready to accept the outcome. He is fully prepared to accept the outcome. It is commonly accepted to follow the journey no matter what. It is universally accepted to follow the journey no matter what. It is generally accepted to follow the journey no matter what.
Difficult situation. To continue in a difficult situation without complaining because you realize that you cannot change it. She accepted that the weather was bad and stayed inside. They accepted the loss of their game, knowing that they had done best. After months of trying, he finally accepted that his injury would take longer to heal and adjusted his training accordingly. Welcome. To make somebody feel welcome and part of a group. The new student was accepted by the class quickly. The community warmly accepted the newcomers, helping them settle in. She felt truly accepted by her colleagues when they invited her to join their social events outside of work. Allow somebody to join. To allow somebody to join an organization, attend an institution, use a service, etc. The gym accepted him as a new member. They accepted her application to join the volunteer group. After a long application process, she was finally accepted into the university's graduate program. Believe. To believe that something is true. I accept that he is telling the truth. Many people accept the theory that climate change is real and caused by human activity. The scientific community widely accepts the findings of the study as a valid evidence supporting the new treatment.
Happily, I didn't accept his version of truth. Readily, I didn't accept his version of truth. We're ready not to accept his version of truth. We're happy not to accept his version of truth. Prepared not to accept his version of truth. Your version of truth is not commonly accepted. Your version of truth is not generally accepted. Your version of truth is not universally accepted.
Well done, you've learned how to use accept and now you can use it confidently in English. If you found this kind of video helpful, make sure to watch this video over here to learn about jump in English.